Okay, good afternoon all. The students are coming. Okay, so let us wait for 5 more minutes, okay, so that more students can join us. This is fifth sem section A, na?
Yes,
Okay,
yes, ma'am.
okay. Let us wait for 5 minutes, okay? Okay, you can't hear anything. Can you hear now?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Huh? Am I audible now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just wait, let me increase my volume. I cannot see anyone. Why?
Ma'am, the network we turn on the video.
Acha. Or you people are sleeping in your bed. Huh? Sleeping and listening.
No, ma'am. No,
Okay.
no.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I'm
Yeah.
sitting on my
You're sitting on your
study table.
study table. Yeah. Very good. Okay. 31 people have joined. Okay. We can start, I guess, no? Okay. Okay. So, uh, this is the first time I'm taking your class. I hope you have seen me in college before. Have you seen me in college
Yes,
in civil
ma'am.
engineering department? You have seen me,
Yes,
yes? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us make it an interactive session. Okay. So today is the first class. So I will not start today. Okay. So I will today just it will be an introductory session. So do you people know my name? Do you know my name?
Gayatri.
Yes, you can see in the participant list, right?
Gayatri.
Yes, Gayatri
Gayatri.
Das. Okay. My name is Gayatri. Okay. So I don't know. Actually, this is the first time since I am taking. I don't know any one of your name and face. Okay. So we will get to know slowly, slowly. Okay. So since the classes have started virtually, I don't know when shall we meet physically in college, but then also we have to do the procedure, isn't it? So you know the subject name. This is section A. Today is the first class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you know the subject name.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of your subject?
Environmental engineering.
Okay, environmental engineering. Yes, good. So, first, let me tell you that previously your environmental engineering it was a two-part subject. Okay, for your fifth sem, it was environmental engineering one, and for your sixth sem, it was environmental engineering two. Okay, but from your semester, from your this semester, the syllabus have changed. Okay, so basically, this semester you will have to learn as a whole environmental engineering. It is not part one or part two. Okay, so what will happen? You will have to learn the fifth semester and the sixth semester together. Understood? You have to learn both the environmental engineering as a whole one. Okay, in this semester. So basically, you can understand that this is a vast course. Okay, very vast course. So uh, in your fifth semester means previously your seniors what was there in fifth semester is that environmental engineering it was about your water supply engineering. Okay, it is about your okay. First of all, let me ask you one thing. What do you first of all by listening the name environmental engineering, what do you understand? Please, anyone or any student, just your idea about environmental engineering. What should be in this syllabus? What should be there? Any idea? Any student
About soils.
about soil? Soil. That is your, I think, geotechnical engineering. You have one subject. Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
about soil you can study in your geotechnical engineering. What
Yeah, is
else?
there.
What else?
Ma'am, structures in different geographical locations.
No, that is also a different subject. From the name itself, you can.
Ma'am, pollution control.
Okay, pollution control. Yes, somewhat correct. Okay, somewhat correct. Correct. Not only your pollution. Okay, pollution is there. Yes, it is there in your subject. Basically, your environmental engineering is what your, you can say it is about water. Okay, your water that you are getting in your home. Okay, the water that you are using in your home. So first of all, I will screen share. Okay, I will screen share. You just tell me if you can see my screen. Okay, let me try. Wait, I will show you the syllabus and I will explain you. Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
You can see the syllabus?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. So your subject code is your PCC CE306. Okay, environmental engineering. So your subject is 3 credit. Okay, it is having 3 credit. So here you can see here your module 1 is about your water. Okay, so what we will learn in this module is that you know, the water you are getting in your home, it is being collected from a source. Okay, it is collected from, can you tell me where the water is being collected that you are getting in your home? Anyone? What is the source of water that is being used by you? So where the water is coming? Anyone?
Groundwater.
Groundwater. Okay.
Under,
Sorry, I can't hear you.
underground water.
Underground water.
Yeah.
Okay. So the sources are, you can say underground is correct. Okay. So surface water is also there. Okay. Surface water like your river, ponds, lakes, all these things. Okay. Surface water and underground is also there. We will come to all those things. We will learn all those things, sources of water also in your this module. Okay. So what happens? The water is first collected from your source. That is your, you can say river or pond and from anywhere. Okay. So the water from there it is collected, and what you can't drink that water directly, isn't it? Can you drink the river water directly?
No, ma'am.
You can't, isn't it? What will happen? You will get disease, isn't it? Waterborne diseases you will get. So since the river is, it is polluted. Okay. So what is the first step? What we need to do? From your home, you can obviously you
No,
open
no,
your tap and you drink the water, isn't it? So how?
no. Get
From yes,
yes.
yes, yes. Say anyone? Okay, let me tell you.
Filtration.
Yes, yes.
Filtration.
Filtration. Okay, okay. Correct, correct. Partially correct. You are correct.
Ma'am, I didn't get your question.
No, I was telling that from the source, the water is collected, isn't it? So that water, it should be done something. Okay, you cannot drink the river water directly, or your the river water is directly not supplied to your home, isn't it? So you are getting it from the distribution system. Yes, you have your distribution system in your home. So you are getting the water from there. So what is done? The water, the source of water, the water that is collected from rivers, or you can say lakes or ponds. What is done? That water, it is being supplied to the treatment plant. Okay, there is one treatment plant. So the water, it is collected from there. There is one intake. Intake is what? The intake is a structure. Okay, So the water is taken through a intake and then it is supplied to your treatment plant. Okay, so in your treatment plant, the water it is treated through different steps. Okay, it is a the treatment plant is a big one. Okay, so there it is the water it is treated. Someday if you get a chance, you can if you come to Guwahati also you can see there in Pan Bazaar there is one your treatment water treatment plant is there. Okay, so basically previous students we have taken them for field visit in a water treatment plant. Okay, so when you go there you can see that the whole water for the Guwahati okay city it is being treated there. So different steps. Okay, there are many steps like screening is done. Okay, then filtration is done. One of the students said filtration. Yes, filtration is done. Then many processes are there. We have to remove color. We have to see if the water is turbid. Many things. Okay, so the water it is treated first, then it is supplied by a plumbing system. It is taken to the distribution system, and after in the getting in the distribution system the water it is supplied to your homes. Okay, so basically in this module you have to study about the raw water treatment. Okay, that is the water that you get from the source, that is your surface water or underground water. All those water it is being treated, and that water you are after treatment in a treatment plant, that water it is you are getting in your home and you are drinking that water. Okay, because you know what, many people suppose some people obviously many of us we have aquaguards in our home, isn't it? But poor people, uh, many people they can't afford a aquaguard or they can't afford a filter. Okay, so what the municipal our municipal people they do is that they treat the water in such a manner that all the limits, some we have some limits for turbidity, you can say many things, we have some permissible limits. Okay, so they treat the water in such a way that it can be directly drink by people. Okay, either if you don't means filter it in your home using your aquaguard or filter and all these things, then also if you drink that water it will not cause harm to you. Okay, so that is the main purpose of your module 1. Understood everyone? It is very simple. Okay, but the module is a vast one, but we will try to make it a brief one. Okay, so your module 2, you can see my screen, right?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So module 2 you can see is sewage. So can you tell me what is sewage? Anyone? What is sewage?
Disposal of waste.
Waste. Okay, sewage is waste. Correct. Any more definition? Any modified definition?
Ma'am, sewage is wastewater.
Hmm. Correct. Okay. Sewage is wastewater, you can say. Okay. So, in this module 1, you have studied about raw water. Okay. It is about, it was from the, you are taking from the river and also it is a raw water. Module 2 is what you know. It is about sewage. The water, not water, the sewage water that is being, it is in your this one bathrooms, kitchens. Okay, you are washing utensils. Yes, you are washing your utensils. So that water is also wastewater. Yes. Then in your bathroom, you are doing toilet. Okay, you are using your sanitary, all these things. So all this also a waste, isn't it? So all these wastewater, how to treat all this wastewater and how to, then after treatment, how it is disposed of to the river, not only river but to a source. Okay, so basically you see if those water that is being taken from your bathroom and all, because there is solids also. Yes, so if that water it is directly disposed of to a river, so what will happen you can imagine, because this is a wastewater, and if you directly dispose of to a river, what will happen is that that water, the river water, it will get polluted. Yes, and that will hamper the aquatic life of the river. Yes, so the fish will die, the aquatic plants will die, all these things will die, so it will obviously hamper the aquatic life. Okay, so river also has a life, isn't it? So all the river will get polluted, so you can't dispose the water that is no, that the wastewater, you can't dispose of it directly. So that water it is also treated. Okay, procedures are somewhat same, like your raw water treatment, but some procedures are different. Okay, some different steps are used, processes, some processes are different. So that water it is treated. The rainwater also, you can say the rain that is happening, okay, that the surface water that goes to your drain, that is also a wastewater. Okay, so all those things, all these water, sewage water, it is being treated, and after treatment this water it is being disposed of in a river. Okay, so in this module we will, module 2, we will study basically about your sewage. Okay, so in our previously in our fifth semester we dealt about this module 1. Okay, that is a whole semester subject, and in module 2 we learned about this sewage, that is in your sixth semester, but now these two are combined, so you can just imagine how vast this course will be. Okay, but definitely we will have to make it short. Okay, only the important things we will cover up. So next is your module 3 is your like one of the students said is your pollution. Okay, pollution everyone knows this chapter, it will be a very easy one. Okay, air pollution, you know why air pollution is happening, why noise pollution is happening, what are the preventive measures, all these things you know. Okay, so I just guess you know the from your school only, because all these things are already discussed before only. Okay, but then also we will have to learn in module 3 we will just learn about all this pollution concept. Okay, we will learn about the concept. Then module 4 it is about your solid waste management. You know, solid waste management, you can say is that it is the process of, you know, collecting, treating and disposing the waste. Okay, the solid waste that is of no use, that you throw. Okay, the waste that you just throw, that that solid waste, it is the process of treating, collecting and disposing it in a specific place. Okay, so that is, it is about your solid waste management, because if that waste, if you just throw here and there in any place, what will happen? Obviously disease will happen, and that disease it will be caused by what? Rodents. Okay, the rats will spread, then all these things, no, the animals, it will just make it polluted. Okay, so how to treat it, how to dispose it, where to dispose it, all these things we will learn in your solid waste management. Understood? Okay, next is your module 5 is your last one. This is your building plumbing. Building plumbing. Okay, so you know, you were obviously plumbing system everyone knows. Okay, the water you are seeing in bathroom also, you are seeing in kitchen also, how the water it is going, it is going through a pipe, isn't it? It is going through a pipe. In your bathroom you can see there is one like net type structure in your floor. Can you see? I hope everyone has that in your bathroom, isn't it? From where the water goes, have you seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, na? So that is called your traps.
Yes.
Okay, so different types of traps are there, because there it is placed in your floor and the water it goes there. So all these things about the different types of traps are there, so we will learn about traps. Then how different types of plumbing systems, some people have their overhead tank at the, you know, the this level, the above level of the this one building. Okay, so many types of plumbing systems are also there. Okay, So we will learn what types of plumbing systems are there, what types of distribution system are there, all these things in your last chapter, that is your module 5. Okay. So basically, from the syllabus, you can see that it is all about how you were getting the water in your home, with what thing you are getting, the like plumbing system and all, and how to. It is basically the environmental engineering. It is about treatment. Treatment is very important. Okay, so we have to treat the water. We have to treat the sewage. Then only you can get in your home, or you can dispose it in a river, or this one in a river. Okay, so basically your environmental engineering, it is about treatment. Okay, so did you understand the syllabus, what we will go through? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
environmental engineering, it will be a very interesting subject. Okay, this is you don't have much numericals. You have numericals. You have to design a water system. Okay, water supply system you have to design. Then many other things are there. There is numerical, but it is basically all about design problems. Okay, you need to design a water tank. All those things. Numericals are there. So next class we will start your module 1. Okay, that is your first module. We will start this one. Today we won't start, I guess, because after explaining only this 1:30. Okay, so little bit we can start. Okay, so let me see how many students came till now. — 32. Okay, let me close this. Okay, so I shall share the syllabus with you in your group. Will be that fine?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay. So what you will do,
Yes.
I don't know when our college will start or when you will be physically active in our college, but the syllabus is important. Okay, you try to print out one syllabus. Okay, print out the syllabus and you paste it in your first page of your copy. Okay, you make one separate copy for your environmental engineering. So don't mess it up with the other subjects. Okay, please try to maintain one separate copy for all the subjects. So for environmental engineering also, you make one separate copy, and you in the first page you just stick your syllabus. Okay, so that when we try to no we go through each and every chapters or every modules, you can just see what things are being covered up. Okay, so today, what else we should do now? I haven't taken the roll number, right? Okay, I'll take the roll number. I have the sheet with me. How many students you have in your section A?
50.
50. Only 32 are present. What happened to the rest?
But
Ma'am,
I think
permanent.
some of them,
What? Network problem?
there's 2, 3 students.
Okay. So please tell them to try to attend. Okay, because you are being told about the attendance system. You know about the attendance system, right? You have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
rate the class. Okay. So after we give the attendance, you will be able to rate your class. Okay. So just you have to from today itself, I guess. Okay. So after giving you attendance in your ERP, so you will be able to rate the class. So if you rate less, then you have to, I think, give justification and all. I don't know much about that one. Okay. So let me take the attendance. Huh. Okay. Roll number 1,
Yes, ma'am.
2,
Yes, ma'am.
3. Arbisha. Arbisha was present, I guess. But
Yes, ma'am.
oh, okay. Okay, then roll number 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 5, 6, 7.
Yes, ma'am.
7 present. Okay. 8,
Ma'am.
9,
Yes, ma'am.
10. Salmik is present. Salmik. 11, 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes. Wait, those who are left out, I will call you later. Okay. Last, I will call you. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Yes, ma'am.
18,
Yes, ma'am.
19, 20.
Present, ma'am.
Roll number 20.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 20. 21,
Yes, ma'am.
22,
22. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
23,
23.
Yes, ma'am.
24,
24.
Yes, ma'am.
25,
Present, ma'am.
26,
Present, ma'am.
27, 28.
28.
Present, ma'am.
Chris, na? Chris, okay.
Chris, na?
Yes, ma'am.
29,
29.
Yes, ma'am.
30,
Yes, ma'am.
31, 32,
Present, ma'am.
33,
Yes, ma'am.
34, 35,
Present, ma'am.
36,
Present, ma'am.
37, 38, 39, 40, 41,
Present, ma'am.
42, 43,
3.
Yes, ma'am.
44,
40.
45,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Yes, ma'am.
47, 48, 49, 50. Okay, just wait. Let me count. Okay, some people are left out. Okay. Let me. I will tell the roll numbers. Those are absent. Okay. If anyone is present, just tell me. Okay. Roll number 5. Roll number 6. 10. 11. 13. 14.
13.
13. Okay.
Present. Ma'am, 11 is present. Okay.
11.
Ma'am, 11.
11.
Present.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So 10 is
11
absent.
present, ma'am.
Okay. 10 is absent. Okay. Then 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 27, 30, 30. 30 is
Present,
sorry,
ma'am.
31, 31. Sabaran Chakma. Okay. Then 34, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Ma'am, 40 is also present.
Okay, 40 is present. Okay. Then 42, 44, 47, 48, 49, 50. So all these are absent, right? Others I have given present. Anyone left out or what? Do I need to call again the present ones? Because this will go in ERP, okay? So should I recall the present ones?
It's okay, ma'am.
Okay.
11 present, ma'am.
11 present. Okay, I will now listen. I will call you the present ones. Okay, just listen clearly. Okay. Roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 35, 36, 40, 41, 43, 45, 46. Everyone is done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so it was a 50-minute session. So already I guess how to check the time, I don't know. I guess it is already 41 minutes. Okay. Do you have any class now?
Ma'am.
You have your lab now from your 2 p.m.
No, ma'am. Today we have library.
Okay, library. So that's a okay. So
Study from home.
you read from your home.
Yes.
Is it? When you study. Okay, I can't see any of you. All you have closed your video. It's about network problem or what?
Yes, ma'am. Network problem.
Network problem. Okay. Hello. Okay, then next when we have our class, I guess Friday we have class. So from Friday, I will be starting, okay, with module 1, and try to tell your friends to be present, okay, because today only like 31 participants are there. So if they miss your class, then it will be it will hamper them, okay, because this time since these classes are happening virtually, so the attendance is also important, okay. So tell them to be present and not like this. They are present in the first 5 minutes, then they have written their roll number in your chat box, then they are disappeared. So all these things will not be there. Okay. I will see the participants list also, how many numbers are there, and then I will count. Okay. Since today is the first class, that is okay. So from next class, I will see both the roll numbers. Okay. So and from next class, be with a copy, okay, and a pen, okay, copy and a pen. So, okay, so the meeting will end in 5 minutes. Okay, then. See you in the next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, bye bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay, thank you.